Today, man, I'm gonna be talking about something serious, man. The topic is, why does India and Pakistan hate each other? Why India and Pakistan hate each other? Now, you need to ask yourself this question. तुम अपने आप से पूछो, why do you hate your fellow Pakistanis? And for the Pakistanis, why do you hate your fellow Indians? Is it because cricket? Is it because of the media? Is it because of the past? Fact is, these three reasons don't define the other person. You hate him through cricket, you hate him through politics, and you hate him through history. This won't define you, so why will it define the other person? You get it? So the hate that India and Pakistan have between each other is derived of four main things. First one is the media. Obviously, we all know the media, how they play and how they manipulate people and how they change minds and how they program people and brainwash people to think about the other side. We're getting brainwashed by a big force telling us, okay, these people are bad, these people are good. No, man, you need to know for yourself. The second one is the religion. We all know India is a Hindu country, right? Hindu dominant, and then Sikhism, and then Islam. Pakistan is Islam based, mostly Muslim. But look, man, you shouldn't be hating on each other for religion, man. You need to embrace one another, man. You know, bhai behan ho tum ek. The third one is the cricket. We all know the cricket, you know, Pakistan, India, man. When they cricket, oh my God, it goes crazy. The cricket is a really big thing. They take it really seriously, Pakistanis and Indians. For them, it's, you know, the life on the line, everything. And that's another issue. And the fourth one is history. So, as you know, if you read the books, the war between India and Pakistan, you know, how Pakistan was made, how Pakistanis hurt Indians, Indians hurt Pakistanis, all that in the back, all that plays a factor. I'm gonna tell you guys in this video why Pakistanis and Indians shouldn't hate each other. First of all, the first thing is, we're humans. I'm insan. We're all brown. That's a truth thing, you know, we're all brown. And that's a similar thing, you know, Hamara rang brown. We have brave army, man. India has a very good army, same thing as Pakistan. That's a similar thing, and they both fight for one cause. They don't really ask for anything back. They do it for the country, and that's also a similar thing. We can get on the same page when it comes to that. Both have ready wallets, man. You know ready wallets, man. They'll be out there. All of them, they're always there. It's very lively, man. It's very live, you know. Pan wala, you know, people eating pan. It's the same thing in India and Pakistan. Chai wala, man. The chai wala outside. Chai wala, man. Early in the morning, Pakistanis, Indians, I know we love to drink our chai or tea. Rickshaws. Now, Pakistan has rickshaws and India has rickshaws. But I think so, personally, India has the better rickshaws because, you know, they're more fancy. You know, they're colored yellow and everything, black. You sit on them. Even Pakistan, they have some really good rickshaw drivers, man. They're always there, you know, sitting. We both love cricket. Now, Pakistanis, like I said before, they're really passionate about the cricket. And even Indians. And cricket should be a thing that we talk about, you know, enjoy, man. You win, you lose. You can't win them all, but you can't hate your brothers for that, you know. Boom. Talking about the land wise, Pakistan is really beautiful. You know, a lot of mountains. So is India. Some places to visit in India are beautiful, like the Taj Mahal. In Pakistan, it can be the Badshahi Masjid, Minar-e-Pakistan, and in India, it's a lot of places to visit and it's very beautiful. I'm from Pakistan and I know it's damn hot. Like in the summer, you burn that bad. That's how bad it is. And in India, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. I have some Indian friends, they tell me, it's terrible, man. Terrible. The food, come on, man. We all know food gets us common, man. How Indians and Pakistanis love using masala. Both are suffering from same issues. A lot of poor people, governments, you know, giving problems, and both are suffering from that. That's another thing similar. You guys got Bollywood, we got Lollywood. You breathe, we breathe. You speak, we speak. You eat, we eat. You look, let's go. We look. You hear, we hear. You walk, we walk. You brush, we brush. Sometimes basically I don't in the morning, sometimes I don't. But like, yeah, we brush. You use lota, we use lota. Yeah. You use the patiala, the elastic sometimes on the shalwar kameez. We use the elastic on the shalwar kameez. Man, those similar people, man. Similar. What the You do tatti, we do tatti. You do pishab, we do pishab. You have like reactions in your stomach, like bude in your stomach due to a lot of spicy food. We have that same thing too. You want peace, we want peace too. You're against terrorism, we're against terrorism too. See, India and Pakistan have a lot of similarities. That's my bottom line of this video. I'm sorry for being stupid, because I am stupid. Sorry. But my bottom line is nothing should be dividing us, man. I love my Indian and Pakistani brothers. It's not about hating people because of the team they like on cricket or the country they're from or whatever. Everyone has bad apples, you know. You can't generalize, you know. Generalizing is not something that's good. And that's not going to help us progress as a society and as a nation. We might not agree on certain stuff. Like, I'm a Muslim, I follow Islam. You might be following another religion. But that shouldn't create a barrier between us and make us hate each other, right? Throw fingers, you say certain words, you know, hate them, blow them on social media, make fun of them, mock them, make stupid memes about them, right? We shouldn't do this. And not even send hate comments through Facebook. Yeah, India to aisa hai, India to bakwas hai, India to bakwas hai. Oh, Pakistani to pagal hai, Pakistani to pagal kaun hai. It's not gonna help us grow. We need to grow as people. We need to grow. If you show love, that will automatically create more love, and that will create a circle, and that will create something. You will be building something. But if you destroy and you keep hating, jealousy, envy, being envious towards people, that will destroy us as people. We will be nothing. We're seeking knowledge. We're on YouTube. We're searching knowledge, you know, every day on YouTube or on the internet. Or in school, you learn certain stuff. This might be something that you take into consideration. I hope, I pray. I don't know if you do. But like, yeah, it shouldn't be, Pakistani, India, don't make assumptions. Don't pre-assume someone, you know. Don't do that, man. We're gonna ruin ourselves. We're not gonna be happy, man. Yes, some people out of every race and every country do tick you off, but that shouldn't make you say all of them are bad. All of them aren't bad. It's that certain guy that's acting up. That certain guy shouldn't represent everybody. That's what I'm trying to say. Because yes, you will find some stupid Pakistanis. Unfortunately, you will find some stupid Indians. Unfortunately, you will find certain stupid people. That shouldn't make you hate their whole race, because if you're doing that, that's ignorant. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry for going on a rant on that video. So this kind of changed. It was from why India and Pakistan hate each other. It changed from that, why India and Pakistan shouldn't hate each other. If you guys don't know, like, share, subscribe, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help my YouTube channel out. You know, I upload videos here and there, funny stuff, and I also have beneficial stuff on my YouTube channel. Please check out my videos and please support. We are blessed. Please, I need some help. I need some help. I have no views on my channel. I have 30,000. So man, you know, remember, man, love thy neighbor, and you blessed, I'm blessed, and we all blessed. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and love your neighbor. I'm out.